And away we go. Today we're going to draw something a little bit different. I am going to draw a pencil that's waving its hands at you. So we're going to just start off with a basic shape here. We're going to come up with our pencil very lightly. There's our pencil. I'll do a little, draw the tip of the pencil. There we go. We're just going to come out here. Draw some arms extending out. He's going to be very excited. And we're going to draw a simple circle like that. An elongated circle coming out there. Going to do the same thing here. You know, cartoon hands only have 4 fingers, so remember that. That is very important. There we go. We're going to probably want to give him a face. So let's throw in some eyes here and a really big smile. There we go. Now we've got him roughed in. All we got to do is take our pen, as usual, and start outlining. Just going to outline the main part of the body here. Do this top part here where the pencil lead is. Just color that in real quick. Oh, and we got to get those eyes in. There we go. And of course the big happy smile. This is a great illustration for back to school. Fill in the mouth. Put that lower lip on here. And we'll do the first of the 2 hands. Just going to draw the arm in here. And then we're going to trace around what we've done here. Put a little curve there for the palm of the hand. And then just trace around these guys to do the rest of the hand. There you go. Let's do the next one. Same thing. And I'll do just a couple little lines down here to show that he is a pencil. There you go. You got it. You just got to erase the lines from the pencils and you are good to go. We will see you on the next one.